Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Akal Academy Sangha. I'm Chinder Kaur. Today we will discuss course books of grade 2. It's lesson 3. Well done, Polly. Students, you can see in this picture, here are some activities which you are doing before going to school, like tie, wear dress, brush your teeth, pack your bag, have lunch, comb your hair, and take bath. So this is the story about a girl whose name is Polly. So let's discuss about this chapter. Well done, Polly. You are late again, Polly, said Miss Rose, her class teacher. What happened today? Now you can see in the picture one teacher is teaching in the class. Her name is Miss Rose, and Polly, she's standing on the door and she came late today. You are late again, Polly, said Miss Rose, her class teacher. What happened today? I am sorry, Miss Rose. I missed the bus, said Polly. It was the third time this week that she was late. She was late on Monday, then again on Tuesday, and here she was late on Wednesday too. Polly came late third time in this week. So she was late on Monday, she was again late on Tuesday and Wednesday too. You really must try to become more punctual, said Miss Rose. Punctual means doing something at the correct time. Now class teacher is saying to Miss Rose, saying to Polly, you must come on time. Polly settled down to work and continued even after the bell rang. Polly sat down comfortably on the table and continued her work even bell rang. She wanted to catch up with what she had missed, so she went late for games class. Polly wanted to complete all his work which she has missed, and she went for game class late. Polly loved games. Her classmates were always willing to have her on their team even if she was late. Polly loved game a lot, and her classmates, उसके जो दोस्त थे, वो उसको अपनी टीम में रखना पसंद करते थे. Mr. Corner, the games teacher was talking to the rest of the class. Polly quickly joined the line. Now all students were in the games period. Mr. Corner was their game teacher, and Mr. Corner games teacher was talking to the rest of the students, and Polly also joined. She also came in the line. We are having a race for your class on Saturday at 9 o'clock, Mr. Corn announced. Please don't be late. So Mr. Corn, his games teacher, is saying we have one game on Saturday at 9 o'clock. So no one should be late. Polly was excited. She knew she ran very fast. She was sure to win the race. Polly was very excited. Excited means very happy. She knew she ran very fast. She can run very fast and she will definitely win the race. Now downside. When Saturday came, Polly went to the field. To her surprise, there was no one from her class there. Now, when Saturday came, on Saturday, Polly went to the field for the race. To her surprise, there was no one from her class. उसकी क्लास में से कोई भी नहीं था वहाँ पे. Where is everybody, sir? Please, Polly. Where is everybody, sir? Polly asked Miss Corner. Now Polly saying to her his games teacher Mr. Corner, where is everybody? दूसरे कहाँ हैं? We had your race yesterday evening. Mr. Corn told her. Now Mr. Corn, games teacher, saying we had games on yesterday evening. It means before they decided to decide games on Saturday, they have done one day before. Didn't you know Miss Rose told your class about the change on Thursday morning? Now games teacher is saying to Polly, you didn't know? तुम्हें पता नहीं लगा? Miss Rose has announced in the class on Thursday morning. Polly had missed the announcement as she had come late on Thursday morning too. Polly again Thursday को भी लेट थी एंड उसकी क्लास इंचार्ज थी, उन्होंने अनाउंसमेंट कर दी. शी वॉज वेरी अपसेट. अपसेट मीन्स वेरी सैड. शी हैड मिस्ड द good chance because she was very good player. She can run very fast and she has missed the chance to win the game, but she was late in the school. That's why she did not win the game. She not join the game. I have to be more careful, she thought. उसने सोचा मेरे को बहुत केयरफुल होना पड़ेगा, ध्यान से देखना रहना पड़ेगा. Ruth, Polly's friend, visited her that evening. How do you manage to be on time for everything? Polly asked Ruth. Polly's friend name is Ruth. उसकी जो फ्रेंड है उसके घर पे आई. She is saying, how do you manage to be on time for everything? Polly asked Ruth. रुथ ने कहा तुम अपना टाइम मैनेज कैसे करोगे, कैसे समय पे स्कूल जाओगे. आई लाइक टू बी पंचुअल, सेड रुथ. रुथ को पंचुअल मतलब हर काम टाइम पे करने की आदत है, वो करती है टाइम पे काम. आई हैव एन अलार्म क्लॉक दैट वेक्स मी अप एवरी मॉर्निंग. आई ऑल्सो मेक अ नोट ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स एंड इवेंट्स. नाउ रुथ इज सेइंग I have one alarm clock that makes me wake up every morning. I also make some important notes for date and events. मैं जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट्स वर्क होते हैं उसको उनके नोट्स बना के रखती हूँ, कब कौन सा काम करना है. Maybe I should do the same, said Polly. Now Polly is saying to Ruth, I will also do the same thing which you are doing. It means she will also do the same as Ruth, like she will set on one alarm clock and she will write important events and dates on one diary. 2 days later was Polly's birthday. At lunch, Ruth greeted her and handed a brightly wrapped box. 2 दिन के बाद पोली का बर्थडे था. उसकी जो फ्रेंड थी रुथ थी, उसने एक ग्रीटेड मीन्स उसे ग्रीट करा, विश करी, एंड हैंडेड अ ब्राइटली रैप्ड बॉक्स, और को कवर किया हुआ एक चमकता हुआ बॉक्स दिया. एक्साइटेड पोली ओपनड इट. पोली ने खोला इसे एक्साइटेड में. इट हैड अ लवली पिंक एंड वाइट अलार्म क्लॉक. पिंक एंड वाइट अलार्म क्लॉक, उसमें क्या था? अलार्म क्लॉक था जिसका कलर पिंक और वाइट था. शी wound it up and listened to the lovely ring sound it made. उसने उसको सेट किया अलार्म को और उसकी रिंग बजी, रिंग। शी wound it up and listened to the lovely ring sound made it. Now, thanks so much, Ruth, said Polly. पोली ने उसको थैंक यू बोला. दिस इज़ जस्ट what I need. I truly am going to try and change. Polly is saying, I have need this one. I want to change in my life. Every night now, Polly set her alarm clock. She wakes up early. The next morning, when the alarm rings, she also writes important dates and tasks on a board in her room. She never misses an event. Now what is happening, Polly? She get up early in the morning. She is setting her alarm clock to get up early in the morning. She wakes up and go to school on the time, and she is writing important dates and notes on one board in her room, and she is never late for class. Polly is the first person to get to class every morning. Well done, Polly, says Miss Rose. Now Polly is going to Polly is going every day school on time, and she is never get late for class every morning. अब मैं सुबह वह लेट नहीं होती. So well done, Polly, says Miss Rose. उसकी क्लास टीचर ने कहा, वेल डन पोली, बहुत अच्छी अब जो टाइम पे काम कर रहे हो. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू शुड बी पंक्चुअल इन क्लास, इन वर्क ऑल्सो. विच वर्क you have to do today, that you have to do today only, don't put it on tomorrow. So this is a chapter about the punctuality of our life. Thank you. Watch this video and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Khan Academy Sangha. Thank you. Have a good day.